Right side by the road?
Rushing the island. Two on the right side!
Copy.
Prairie, I think we got two guys right in front of us here.
I see him, I see him, I see him. He's dead, he's dead.
Underneath the log, he's gone.
There's one more, there's one more. Dead in between the two trees. On your right, watch out.
Get down! Why is this gun so fucking heavy?
It's all wood and metal, my guy.
It's like fucking 10 pounds. I'm sitting here like...
There's no plastic on that thing, I guarantee you. Even the mags are probably freaking like aluminum or something. Right side's down. Two down right side. All I see trees clear. You got two right corner.
Curving a lot to the left.
Oh yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
He's dead, right side, wearing the gray hat. Yo, red cap's gone, left side. Ooh, what do we got there? Oh, I'm dead. Shit. Oh. Oh man. Yeah, we got tan shirt dead.
Good man.
One in the sunlight next to him, dead.
Good down. Good down. Hand crossing.
Copy. Hit player, white cap on the left. You're good there. Yeah, like that stump's
You're
okay.
at 2 on stump.
Okay.
On big stump?
If you're dead, can you take a step back, please?
Oh, stump just moved. I'm watching left. Hit.
That ghillie sniping bush Wookie sure had a beat on us that last round. Not sure who headshotted me there, but I'd guess it was that guy. GG's, always refreshing to just play some straight up TDM and smash into each other without objectives. Yes, short video today, but I've been a busy boy. Lots of side work on the weekends, building my first Warhammer 40k army, preparing a 90-gallon tank for my first pet fish, you know, that kind of stuff. Just staying productive during the rainy season. Fret not, I'll be seeing you guys soon. Leave a like and subscribe if you like good old-fashioned Canadian airsoft. It helps the channel a lot. See you guys next time.